Algorithms and data structures.
Algorithms and data structures are the backbone of computer science, providing systematic approaches to problem solving and efficient data organization.
Here's an overview. 1. Algorithms. Algorithms are step-by-step procedures or formulas for solving problems. They guide the computer in executing a task or calculation.
Efficiency is a key factor. Well-designed algorithms optimize resource usage, such as time and memory, to solve problems in the most effective manner. 2. Data structures. Data structures are the way data is organized and stored to facilitate operations like insertion, deletion, and traversal.
Common data structures include arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Each has its own strengths and use cases. 3. Key concepts.
Time complexity measures the amount of time an algorithm takes to complete as a function of the input size. Space complexity evaluates the amount of memory an algorithm requires as a function of the input size.
4. Sorting and searching. Sorting algorithms arrange data in a specific order, e.g., alphabetical or numerical. Searching algorithms locate a specific element within a collection. 5. Dynamic programming. Involves breaking down a problem into smaller subproblems and solving each subproblem only once, storing the solutions to avoid redundant computations. 6. Graph algorithms. Graphs model relationships between entities. Algorithms like Dijkstra's and breadth-first search, BFS, are crucial for solving graph-related problems. 7. Importance in software development. Efficient algorithms and data structures are fundamental for creating fast and scalable software. They impact the performance of applications and influence the user experience. 8. Continuous learning. Given the evolving nature of technology, staying updated on new algorithms and data structures is crucial for software developers. Understanding and mastering algorithms and data structures empower computer scientists to devise elegant solutions to complex problems and build robust software systems.